Three suspects were fatally wounded following a business robbery at a jewelry shop in Witbank on Wednesday, 15 April 2026 at approximately 10 a.m. It is reported that approximately 8 armed suspects stormed into a jewelry shop in Highfield Mall, Witbank, and held the security guard and the employee at gunpoint before robbing them of undisclosed amount of jewelry. Police and private security company were alerted about this business robbery in progress and responded swiftly. The suspects were intercepted soon after they drove out of the mall in different gateway cars. During the incident, 3 of the suspects were fatally shot while others fled from the scene and are still at large. At the crime scene, police recovered 3 pistols, a rifle and rounds of ammunition believed to have been used by suspects, a Toyota RAV4 fitted with false registration number plate that was also used as a getaway car was recovered. Some of the jewelry taken from the shop were recovered inside the said getaway car. Police opened the case of business robbery for investigation, while the Independent Police Investigation Directorate (IPID) will investigate the circumstances that led to the death of the 3 suspects. The search is underway for the suspects that are still at large, and police urge anyone with information that may assist in apprehending the other suspects to call Crime Stop number. All received information will be treated as confidential, and callers may opt to remain anonymous. The recovered firearms will be sent for ballistic test to establish whether they were used in commission of other crimes. Sunday besikhuluma ngodaba olwenzeke eThekwini lapho nakhona igebengu behlasele ijewelry store emall ngaphakathi, bafike bayibamba kwaqhuma ibhamu. Nansi ivideo yakhona ukukukhumbuza nje okwenzeke lapha eThekwini.
Hayibo guys, nikuphi? Kuqhuma ibhamu eGateway guys, nawumgosi. Hayi ke nabo-ke kuthiwa-ke laba abaqama ngesandla naba bedrobha iy'tolo abaqama ngesandla, ngisho abantu abamnyama abaqama ngesandla. Yeah guys, hayi kazi nikuphi? Sicishe sife eGateway liqhuma ibhamu. Hayi Sunday cishe ngawudla kabuhlungu. Yo,
Shuthi itrend entsha nje ukuthi manje bahlasela ama-jewelry store. Ngenhlanhla-ke le ndaba seGateway lapha eThekwini. Ngosuku olulandelayo igebengu ngomsombuluko zabanjwe igebengu lezi ezazithathele ejewelry nejewelry bayirecover ebalelwa ku2 million rand ivalue yayo. Bayithola leyo jewelry leyo igebengu lezo ziboshiwe. Lezi zaseMpumalanga ngapha eWitbank zibe neshwa-ke lokungakwazi ukuphila ngoba amaphoyisa azidubuleza shona. Ngifisa ukukucaphunela manje ivideo kobaba lo okhulumela amaphoyisa ngapha eMpumalanga bese sidlulela phambili. Kodwa nje itrend entsha le yokuthi kuhlaselwa ama-jewelry store iyangithusa lento, ngendlela engibuka kubanjwa ngayo ama-shop ney'tolo lezi. Ngithi sizophila kanjani njengabantu, ngoba kusho ukuthi uma kuqhubeka kanje amabhizinisi bazosaba ukwakha amabhizinisi emalokishini esihlala kuwo. Sibuyele kwimpilo yakudala lapho khona ekufuneka ukuthi ugibele iteksi uma ufuna ukuyothenga izinto, yazi ukuze kwazi ukuthi uye edrobheni, kanti kulula nje ukuphuma uye emall, ngoba lento yenza ukuthi iy'ndleko zigcine ziningi. Uthi uma ngabe umnikazi wemall unestress mhlambe sokukhokhela amanzi, sokukhokhela ugesi mangabe ekhokhwa nguwe nazo zonke lezo ivumelwano lezo, uphinde funa manje uqashe i-private security company ukuze uvimbele ubugebengu. Leyo mali ozoyikhokhela i-private security company iyo le engabe uyaqhubeka wenze ezinye izinto. Mhlambe ngabe ulekelela iy'ngane nje ey'funa ukufunda y'qhubeke, uzixhase ekufundeni kwazo. Awukwazi ukwenza lokho ngenxa yokuthi imali eningi so uyispenda la bese kuthiwa abantu bamabhizinisi they don't give back to the community. How will you give back kube kwenzeka kanje? Ilimaza lapho lento, ilimaza umnotho, nabantu nje bazosaba ukuzovula amabhizinisi ey'ndaweni la kuhlala khona thina ngenxa yalezi gameko ezenzakalayo.
3 suspects were fatally wounded following a business robbery at a jewelry shop in Witbank on Wednesday, the 15th of April 2026 at approximately 10 o'clock in the morning. It is reported that approximately 8 armed suspects stormed into a jewelry shop in Highfield Mall and held the security guard and the employee at gunpoint before robbing them of undisclosed amount of jewelry. Police and private security companies were alerted about the business robbery in progress and responded swiftly. The suspects were intercepted soon after they drove out of the mall in different getaway cars. During the incident, 3 of the suspects were fatally shot, while others fled from the scene and are still at large. At the crime scene, police recovered 3 pistols, a rifle, and rounds of ammunition believed to have been used by the suspects.
2 police officers attached to Tembisa SAPS were arrested for possession of drugs in Boksburg Correctional Center. At approximately 9:30 a.m., a correctional service official stationed at Boksburg Prison, while performing routine access control duties, conducted a search on vehicle entering the premises. During the search, the officials stopped a white SAPS vehicle occupied by 2 SAPS members, one in police uniform and the other in civilian clothing. Upon searching the vehicle, the correctional service official discovered a blue plastic bag containing 82 Menrex tablets, as well as dagga, hidden underneath a seat. The 2 police officers were subsequently placed under arrest. The duo will soon appear in court. Ngeke ngakusho lokhu ngaphambilini ukuthi abukho ubugebengu obungenzeka la eSouth Africa uma amaphoyisa engeyona ingxenye yabo, ikakhulukazi ukuthinta udaba lama-drugs, ngoba abantu esiphila nabo nje thina emalokishini la sihlala khona noma ey'ndaweni esihlala kuzo abathengisa ama-drugs akulona imfihlo lento, into esiyaziyo sonke. Ayafika amaphoyisa azothatha okweshumi, into esiyaziyo nje, siyawazi futhi amaphoyisa afikayo azothatha okweshumi. Ifika imoto yamaphoyisa ithola okweshumi ihambe. Ngakho-ke labo bantu labo, noma kungathiwa kuzoba khona i-operation izobe imhlasela, la maphoyisa akoleka okweshumi ayakwazi ukumfonela lo angabibikho, akwazi nokumuva izinto ukuze makufika amaphoyisa angayitholi izinto lezi asuke ezozifuna. Yingakho noma kuthiwa umphakathi ugcina ungasenamandla ngoba uyazi umphakathi ukuthi ngeke simenze lutho lo, uvikelekile. Into esiyaziyo. Yingakho-ke ngithi buncane ubugebengu obungenzeka la eSouth Africa uma kungathiwa amaphoyisa wayena ingxenye yawo. Udaba lwesibili futhi ile lokuthi ama-drugs asemajele. Emajele kunama-drugs, abantu basemajele babhema ama-drugs, banensango. Ayizingeneli le nsango, abazingeneli lama-drugs, afakwa yiwo amaphoyisa. Buka nje ukuthi labantu babanjwe bakwi-uniform basemsebenzini ngenxa lama-drugs nale mali esheshayo bebezoyithola, balahlekelwe ikusasa labo. Noma malini bebezoyithola sebezoyispenda kubameli ngoba kuzofuneka kukhulunywe velaphi lama-drugs. Uma ngabe kungama-drugs ebebewathathela igebengu somewhere afunani ngaphansi kwesithi, kuyofuneka bayichaze yonke loo nto le. Mhlawumbe bengaba nestori esizwakalayo, maybe inkantolo ingakwazi-ke ukubakhulula ukuthi nikufakeleni ngaphansi kwesithi, kodwa funeka kube nestori esizwakalayo. Uma bengathi bakubambe somewhere Wofuna bachaza ukuthi uma nimbopha lowo muntu loyo nimhenda over emaphoyiseni nangawathatha ngande ama-drugs nawafaka khona. Inzima-ke lento, kodwa kuzofuna ukuthi babe nayo impendulo. Bengithi nje angiku-update ngokwenzekayo. Kulezi nsuku amaphoyisa ayaboshwa, ayi kancane. Kunendaba engiyibonile kuboshwa amaphoyisa asebenzela i-crime intelligence awu-3 nomunye kuthiwa uyi-police informant ngapha eKatlehong. Kuboshwa amaphoyisa awu-8 angazi endaweni yakuphi. Hey, ayaboshwa amaphoyisa kulezi nsuku. Ilokho esikufunayo ukuthi amaphoyisa uma ngabe enza ubugebengu awaboshwe ukuze kuzokwazi ukuthi lesihlava esesihlasele lapha kuwa amaphoyisa sizophela. Nawo amaphoyisa azokwazi ukuthi alapha to serve. They are there to serve i-community. They are there to prevent crime. Umsebenzi wabo yiloyo ukuthi ba-prevent i-crime ukuthi ingenzeki. Hayi ukuthi bona babe ingxenye ye-crime eyenzekalayo. Asiyibambe le video. Cela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la comment section. Ngale kwalokho bese mina nawe sidibana kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.